Hi, if you are looking for an efficient washing machine, then I have this 5-star rated LG top load washing machine with smart inverter technology. It works on smart inverter, which is an energy saving technology that eliminates unnecessary operations by efficiently controlling energy use. Smart motion combined with turbo drum and precise smart inverter control just upgrades the wash and provides a better performance. During power cuts, auto restart allows the program to restart all by itself. And if the power cord is plugged in, it does not consume power on standby mode. In case of any error, you can use the LG app or make a phone call to the LG service center. A diagnosis can then be made, resulting in less time wasted and avoiding unnecessary visits, which means more convenience. So go for this super cool LG top load smart inverter washing machine and let your hands remain beautiful as always.